So I just want to make a quick video. I was working on this Chevy truck and turn signal's messed up. Did some research, but when I hit the blinker, the high beam turns on. Left side works fine, but it's just the right side. Found another blinker from a parts truck that I have, but it's different. Even the Mercy is different. Well, look at the model number, part number I mean, and that's different. So did more research. I found one on Amazon, I believe for like 35 bucks or 30 bucks, and it says it's the replacement part number for this one, which is not hard. You know, you take off this clip, and then this connection. There's another clip on the I believe on the right side, and should come off easily. So if you do decide to replace or fix this turn signal issue, just make sure you get the correct turn signal. And if you waste your time, go to the junkyard and get one and pay 20-30 bucks for that one there, you might as well just get it new. Amazon or eBay pretty good on price. So this is the old one. It's pretty messed up. Looked like some water or something got into it. New one is basically already bolted on, not bolted on, but it's on. It's about the same. And everything works now. Easy fix. And all you really need is this bit. Which is a T25. And a 1/4 wrench. Just because there's a screw that's behind here, you don't have to take off the whole steering column or steering wheel.